What's up, guys? Today we're looking at another review over the FIO T1X. Let's check it out, see what they're all about. So the pair that we're looking at today, like I said, the FIO T1X. I've heard a lot of great things about these, so I'm excited to open these up and check them out. These retail for 80 bucks, but right now you can find them on Amazon for $50. The link will be in the description below. Be sure to check that out. For 50 bucks, let's see what you can get. These feature Bluetooth 5.0, so the right or left you can use individually. Also means that the right and left do have a microphone built into each of them. They are dust, sweat, and water resistant at the rating of IP65. So if you're clumsy like me, these would be a good pair for you. Just don't submerge them. These claim to have 6 hours of battery life on the earbuds themselves with the case, 24 hours listening time. Keep in mind that that is at 50% volume. These feature quick charge, which is 10 minutes of charge time, would give you 2 hours of listening time. So if you pick them up and they're dead, you're not in a bind, just quick charge and you'd have enough battery life to possibly take you to the gym, go for a run, do whatever you need to do, things like that. So let's open them up and see what we get inside. Alright, man, these look sick. They're very glossy, pretty slick. I can tell you right now, these are going to be fingerprint magnets. Alright. Okay, so one thing I do like about these right off the bat is they have some sort of wing fin for if you were to work out or anything like that. I feel like that would give you better stability within inside your ear to make it to where they won't fall out. So the case is pretty light. Let's put them in. All right, so red lights mean that they're charging once the case is closed. Pretty cool. All right, let's go further in. Books again, man. We're professionals. We don't need them. So these are USB-C, which is always a plus. Always. I don't know if you can see inside there, but you get large, medium, and small, which would tell me that these actually have like a medium small on it, like an in-between. So that's always good. And you get extra wings. You got one that doesn't have a wing on it. It's just for more grip. And then you have the larger size. So if you have stupid fat ears, you're freaking good to go, Dumbo. So that's good. They took into consideration a lot of people with different ear sizes, things like that, for better fitment across the board. Another cool thing about these is that they are touch control. They are not buttons, so you're not cramming these into your ears, sacrificing your comfort just to change the song, turn the volume up, turn the volume down, play pause. It's got you. It's touch control. It's good to go. All right, let's pop them out and see how they fit. Holy goodness, that was fast pairing. That was like instant. So the isolation is super good. I can't hear nothing. They fit really, really well. Like I can tell I have an amazing seal. Everything's tight. I can tell it's not gonna fall out. So I'm gonna take a listen, check it out, come back with my thoughts. This is what I've been talking about this whole time. This is what I've been looking for. For $80, I'm pretty sure there's some that are like $200 that can't even compete with these. These are solid. They get stupid loud. The bass is extremely punchy. Oh my gosh. I'm just blown away. So when I put these in, I downloaded the app and I started working the EQ on it. There's a ton of EQ choices that you can choose from. I chose metal, not because I like metal a lot, but it was just, it had the best balance of treble and bass with the mids being pushed back just a hair. They were better than a lot of other pairs that I've heard with the mids. But as far as volume, I would put these at a solid 8. As far as bass goes, these are also at an 8. Now, when it comes to mids, I would put these at about maybe a 6 as far as how clean it sounds and where they are in the mix. And when we get to treble, it's very clear. It's beautiful. It's not harsh. It doesn't fatigue. It's just crisp. So as far as soundstage goes, now soundstage is basically how far the instruments are depth-wise, how far they are left to right, how far the music pans from left to right. These do an amazing job at it. It does not sound like you're in a small room at all. It sounds very 3D-like. It definitely feels like it fills a room in a more energetic way. All right, guys, so one thing I wanted to show y'all before we got into the app was how fast these earbuds paired to the phone. So one thing I learned through trial and error is that it's not taking the earbuds out of the case that turns the earbuds on. It's actually the act of opening the case that turns the earbuds on. So right now, I'll just show you what that looks like and we'll see how fast it actually connects. So if you look right here, you got the Field T1X. Now let's open it. Now it's connected. So one thing I've realized doing this is that I've done this several times. It's kind of random because I've had it at times where it was very consistently, like after I opened it up, boom, it was connected, ready to go. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. So now go into the app. This is what you see in the app. You'll get your battery percentage, and then we can go over here to EQ. Now you have 3 EQs behind here that are just the 3 basic EQs. You got original, then you have treble, then you have bass boost. And then you actually have all these as well. If you go in the upper right hand corner, you have all these to choose from. They all adjust the sound drastically. It's not insignificant at all by any means. So you will definitely hear a change. So up here we have easy mode, and that basically just takes the controls that are pre-existing right now and simplifies it. And then down here we have low latency mode, which basically means if you wanted to play video games on your phone or whatever it may be, you can take that latency and just drop it down even further so that you can kill your buddies on Fortnite, whatever it may be. So right here we have high sensitivity touch controls. When I first pulled these out of the box and listened to them and tried to maybe play pause or volume up or skip track, it was very inconsistent. So these right here, after I turned them on, it fixed that problem immediately. It was very touch responsive. So all in all, the app, it's actually really helpful. It's beneficial. I love the app. I wish every earbud would do it, but I know we don't live in a perfect world, so there's that. But yeah, I love the app. The fact that you can pick these up for 50 bucks and get what you get, you'll be winning. So until next time, please be sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe. Check these out in the description below. Later.